Justin, are you going to start your own church? Are you going to be a pastor? Are you going to be a pastor?
What's up with you, B? How you been, my man?
Justin Bieber, looking good, bro.
Yeah, what can we do?
Heal him, bless him, Lord.
Call an ambulance.
What do you need?
Get out the way, man.
Healing, Lord.
3 hours.
Oh, well,
Healing.
it's all good.
Wow.
Is there anything we can do to help
Healing
you?
and blessing in the name of Jesus.
We called it already, man.
I can just feel it
Healing.
roll.
Okay.
Healing.
The car didn't run over you.
7.5
Healing in the name of
tires.
Jesus.
It ran all the way over you.
His leg got caught in the tires.
Where did it
We
get
speak
caught?
peace, Lord. We speak peace, Lord. Peace in the name of Jesus. Peace. 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 We speak
What are you doing?
Yeah, the injured subject is
Are you training in team?
into a lane.
peace in the name of Jesus.
We have one on the way. If you could just give us a little space, okay?
All right, we need some room, you guys. Okay.
It's okay.
Back up. All right, you got your shot. Let's get some room, okay? Ambulance needs to come.
Back up. Back up. Good.
Give him a little bit of room.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Give him some room.
Back up. Just a little bit.
It's Maurice, Justin.
I'm Maurice, man. I always like this guy.
Appreciate that.
This badge.
Yeah, it was an accident.
I guess I just want to have to let it be in front of the church, huh, brother?
Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna put your camera stuff over here, okay? Or do you want it next to you, or
Where's Devon at?
right here?
I'm right here. You want me to get some stuff?
Yeah, grab that stuff. Here, I got it in my hands here.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it in my
You guys get enough footage of this? No. Can you pose a little more? That's great. What does it matter? We're coming, okay? Get off the street. All right, everybody can stay on the sidewalk for now, okay? Off the street. What's up, man? Talk to me. How old are you? What's your name, man? Hey, guys, do me a favor. Back up. On the sidewalk. Just keep rolling.